Are you looking for the best smartphone gimbal stabilizer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best smartphone gimbal stabilizer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. FANGTUOSI 360 Rotation Stabilizer. The FANGTUOSI 360 degrees rotation gimbal stabilizer selfie stick tripod is a versatile tool for content creators, vloggers, and live streamers, combining a gimbal stabilizer, selfie stick, and tripod into one compact device. It features 360 degrees rotation and AI-powered face tracking for smooth, stable footage while keeping subject centered. The detachable Bluetooth shutter allows remote control for easy recording, and its foldable design, measuring just 20 centimeters when collapsed, makes it highly portable. Built with durable metal materials, the stabilizer provides a sturdy base for smartphones and operates without requiring any app installation. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, it is ideal for capturing steady social media content, live streams, and personal videos in a convenient, all-in-one solution. Number 2. MEUYAG New Tripod. The MEUYAG 2025 1.7mm tripod for smartphone cameras is a versatile and portable accessory designed to enhance your photography and videography experience. This tripod features a maximum extended height of 1.7 meters, providing ample reach for group shots, overhead shots, and stable video recording. Its foldable design, with a folded length of 31 centimeters, ensures easy portability, making it an ideal companion for travel, vlogging, and live streaming. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the tripod offers stability and reliability during use. Additionally, it includes a wireless Bluetooth remote control, allowing for convenient hands-free operation, perfect for selfies and group photos. The tripod is compatible with a wide range of smartphones, making it a versatile tool for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Available in various colors, the MEUYAG 2025 tripod combines functionality with style, catering to diverse user preferences. Number 3. ZHIYUN Smooth Stabilizer. The ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI is a professional-grade 3-axis smartphone gimbal designed for content creators, vloggers, and live streamers seeking to achieve cinematic stability and advanced tracking capabilities. Its orthogonal 3-axis structure allows for true 360 degrees rotation without app limitations, enabling dynamic shots from any angle. The gimbal features an advanced magnetic AI tracker that provides rapid and responsive subject tracking, unaffected by strong light interference, allowing users to re-identify and recover object tracking even after reframing. Intelligent gesture control enables users to start, stop object tracking with intuitive gestures, facilitating effortless solo video recording. The built-in high-power fill light ensures optimal lighting conditions for your recordings, and the all-in-one control panel offers parameter adjustments typically found on high-end cameras. With a 26-hour runtime in standby mode and a 3.5-hour charging time via PD fast charging, the Smooth 5S AI is equipped to handle extended shooting sessions. It supports smartphones weighing between 5.3 to 10.6 ounces and measuring 2 to 3.6 inches wide, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhone 14, 13 Pro Max, Samsung, Huawei, and Xiaomi smartphones. Whether you're capturing steady footage for social media, conducting live streams, or recording family events, the ZHIYUN Smooth 5S AI offers a reliable and portable solution. Number 4. ZHIYUN Weebill 3E Stabilizer. The ZHIYUN Cinepeer Weebill 3E is a compact and versatile 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer designed for DSLR and mirrorless cameras, offering a payload capacity of up to 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds. It supports native vertical shooting, allowing seamless switching between landscape and portrait orientations, and features ZHIYUN's 10th Instune algorithm for smooth and stable footage even during dynamic movements. The gimbal is equipped with a 2600 mAh battery providing up to 16 hours of runtime, an integrated OLED display for easy monitoring, and an ergonomic Sling Mode 2.5 designed to reduce fatigue during extended use. Additional features include Bluetooth shutter control for remote operation, making it ideal for videographers and content creators using cameras from Canon, Sony, Panasonic, Nikon, and other brands. Number 5. AOCHUAN XE Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. The AOCHUAN Smart XE Kit Gimbal Stabilizer is a compact and feature-rich 3-axis handheld gimbal designed for smartphone videography. Weighing just 360 grams and folding down to 16.3 by 10.8 by 5.5 centimeters, it offers portability without compromising on performance. Compatible with all iPhones and Android phones under 7 inches, it supports a maximum payload of 260 grams, making it suitable for most smartphones. This gimbal boasts advanced AI-powered face, body, and object tracking, ensuring smooth and steady footage even during dynamic movements. It also features gesture control, allowing users to start, stop recording with simple hand motions. The inclusion of a detachable RGB magnetic fill light with 7 color modes enhances lighting conditions for various shooting environments. Designed with a focus on user-friendliness, the Smart XE Kit includes a professional focus wheel and zoom slider for real-time adjustments, and a tripod stand for stable shooting. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it an ideal choice for content creators seeking a portable yet powerful stabilizer for vlogging, live streaming, and mobile filmmaking.